everyone, welcome back to the kitchen. Today I have a super fast idea for sandwich night. Not only is it quick and easy, but it's a potential leftover makeover. Today I'm gonna take some leftover grilled chicken and we're gonna make grilled chicken gyros, and I can't wait to show you how these all come together. Today we're going to make a simple grilled chicken gyro, and this is a really great way that you can use up leftover chicken, whether you have made it on the grill or seared it in the skillet or have leftover roast chicken. This is a really great way to have quick and easy sandwich night in the middle of the week when you don't know what you want but it's too hot to cook. This is a really great option. What I have are some whole wheat pita that I have heated up in a skillet. I just put them in this pie dish that has a lid to keep them warm. Really, I kept thinking the whole time I was doing this prep, it's really like Greek tacos, because really, what do you like on your taco? What do you like on your gyro? I heated up I took some leftover grilled chicken breast and I sliced it and I put it in a skillet over a medium-high heat with a little bit of water. I put the lid on it for about 5 minutes and then I took the lid off, drained off the water and let it kind of sizzle just for a little bit. It tastes as fresh as the day it was made, and that's what we like. We have some of our homemade tzatziki sauce. If you didn't see my video for this, I'll leave a link down below and an iCard that you can just click on the little I in the upper right hand corner and it will take you to the video. I have some diced up heirloom grape tomatoes. I have some sliced onion. You can use red onion. I don't really prefer it, and I always have sweet onion on hand anyway. And I also have some crumbled feta. And that's really all we're gonna do. So I'm gonna just show you a little trick. You know when you get your gyro from the Greek restaurant, right? It always comes kind of wrapped in a foil, and that's because it's easy to hold on to. I'm gonna put some of the tzatziki down first. This is a great way to get a bite of this creamy sauce in every bite that you take, because sometimes when I order from my restaurant, they don't do this. And I'm sure it's a freshness thing. By the time I get it home, it's gonna be soggy. Put on some chicken and make it look abundant. I have enough chicken here to do 2. Then we're gonna do some tomatoes. And I'm gonna do a little bit of onion. I love onion on my gyro. If you like to toss lettuce in yours, then by all means, go for it. Some people enjoy sliced olives and some feta cheese. Now, we're gonna kind of fold this up so it's sort of like a cone. Now don't worry, because you're not gonna get this to be like a tight cone anyway, but we're gonna put the foil and then we're gonna wrap it around this way and we're gonna wrap it around that way, and there is your beautiful chicken gyro sandwich. Ta-da. Now I'm gonna go make another one and we're gonna have lunch. Our grilled chicken gyro leftover makeover is all ready to go. We're gonna be having this for lunch today, but this makes a very adequate dinner, and everybody loves a gyro. You can also do this with leftover steak, leftover pork chops, or leftover pork loin roast that you slice. If you season it up right, it's gonna be delicious. Now, I'd already put a Greek seasoning on this when I put it on the grill. I just took it out of the fridge, I sliced it up, I put it in a skillet with a little bit of water, let it sizzle with the lid on for a few minutes, and then I took the lid off and I let it sizzle a little bit more, and it came out perfect. Just like tacos, put what you like on your gyro. Do you like Kalamata olives or black olive slices or cucumber slices on yours? Maybe you like a squeeze of lemon? Go for it. This gyro is your creation, and we're just here to provide inspiration. That rhymed.
Oh, no, it.
I know. So that's how you make a delicious, quick and easy grilled chicken gyro leftover makeover. Even if you don't use leftovers, throw some chicken on the grill and make them fresh, and they're still gonna be just as delicious. Set everything out on the counter and let everybody make their own, and everybody is just gonna be so happy. So I hope you give this idea for sandwich night, grilled chicken gyros, a try sometime soon, and I hope you love it. And until next time, I'll see ya.